How are you guys? I'm Joy and I'm going to show you how to make some lumpia. So we got some plantain in here.
Already cut up.
Yeah, already cut up. I already cut up. We don't have the regular banana that I used in Philippines, so we can use this one. This is the look like of the plantain.
Looks like a big banana.
Yeah, yes. I think other people also use the regular banana. I'm not sure, but I never try it. This turon is really easy to make. It's very cheap. Banana is very cheap, you know. So as long as you guys have banana, sugar, and the wrapping, it's very cheap. You can buy it in an Asian store or Filipino store. So yeah. And I'm ready to wrap it. Wrap it. Let's start with this. There's the banana. I would like to roll it over there. Some other people put some langka. Langka is, what is that, mahal? What is that called? Jackfruit.
Oh, jackfruit.
Yeah, that one. So you guys just gonna put some sugar around and you're just gonna roll it. And cover it. It's not really perfect, but oh well. I'm only the one gonna eat this, so.
What?
Me and you. So I'm just gonna wrap it like that. Yeah, this is for, a lot of people eat this for merienda.
Merienda is
Yes, na.
snack. What about breakfast?
Almost.
Almusal?
Not really. I'm not sure. Other people, it depends on how people feels like. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but in Philippines, normally, sometimes other people going to sell this like around, 11 or 10 a.m. like, for snack or something like that.
And how much would one of these cost?
I don't remember. Maybe 5 peso.
5 peso? That's 10 cents American.
Yeah. It's very cheap. If you're craving with something, you will do it, aren't you? Okay, now I'm back with my favorite. Woo, woohoo, woo. Gonna use that again.
For what?
For something. Coffee break. This is a lot of oil.
That is a lot of oil.
I think this is probably for what?
10 years.
10 months. 10 months supply. Woohoo! Probably enough. Probably enough. No, let's put a little bit more. That's good. Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah, so only we're gonna fry some couple of this because I don't want to waste it and we can put in the freezer. Right? Smart! Hello? SpongeBob! Too much drama everywhere. I don't wanna miss a thing. Okay guys, so the oil is boiling hot. So we can just make all this swim in the oil. Bam! Bam! Ah, they're getting naked. How many do you think we need to cook?
A pot.
A pot? Okay, you can do that. Okay, we just wait. So I'm just gonna put some a little sugar to make a little caramel. More More sugar there. Sugar there. Put some sugar on that turon. Woo! What do you think so far? Some sugar in there.
So earlier, the wrapping paper that Joy was using,
Wrapping paper.
the lumpia wrappers, was coming loose. But using her Filipina magic, she saved the day, which she always does.
Just put all the... Oh my god, this looks like in the store. Alright. Oh, ang daming oil. It's okay because it's draining. One for you. See? Toot 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 toot. Ang daming spider web. There you go. Flour. Harina. Joke. Yeah, guys. Woo! Look at that. Look at. So, guys, look at this. The finished product. Ta-da! Look at this. Easy to make. Now you got some turon. So guys, it's ready. Ready to serve for you.
It looks really good, baby.
I mean for you.
Is it hot?
Not really.
Not really, Kajun. I'm gonna burn my tongue as soon as I bite into this for sure.
Alright, cheers.
Lucky.
Probably it's hot.
Yeah, it's.
Oh my god,
It's so hot. It's so hot, baby.
I like that. Look at that, guys. Oh, did you see the spider web?
All right, cheers. Ready? Don't burn your lips. Oh. Oh, I can't do it. It's so hot. We should have let these cool for a second.
What? It's not that hot.
So these are super crunchy. Mukhang buhok.
So you guys can make this. It's very easy.
The heck was that?
Ano ba yan?
Sharp.
The sugar.
Ah, it's sharp. It's poking me. All right, ready?
Cheers. Mmm. That sounds.
Mm-hmm.
Do you hear the sound? It's so crunchy.
It's good.
So guys, this is really good. The craving, it's satisfying.
Satisfying, that's
You think so?
Yeah, really good.
I think he can live in Philippines. You know, for all this Filipino food.
I'm gonna get so fat if we have to move there.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys learn how to make this from me. With cooking with joy. The joy to the word. Yeah guys, thank you for watching. And if you guys want to see more from us,
Push like and subscribe.
yep, and we're gonna finish this.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Come on.
Bye. So guys, how's your quarantine doing? How's your quarantine doing, mahal?
My quarantine is, well, it stinks that we can't go to the beach.
How's my quarantine? Well, I'm not on quarantine. I have work. Yes, don't have a quarantine. I just have day off. Today is my day off. That's the way I do it.
Oh.